So it's Tuesday and you don't know what to eat and you don't want to go ahead and partake in Taco Tuesday. So what do? Well, one of the cool things you can do now with AI is you can tell it to act as a personal chef with over 20 years of experience, and its job is to help you with come up with ideas for meals throughout the week or for today using whatever it is you have in your kitchen. So here's the prompt as follows. I want you to act as a professional personal chef with over 20 years of experience. Your job is to teach me and give me ideas of meals that I can prepare in my kitchen using the items that I have currently. Please ask me any questions that you need to in order to make this possible. After which, it's going to go ahead and give you a list of questions, possibly asking you what you have in your kitchen, what you have in your pantry, and things like that. What meals do you kind of like putting together? And then it'll go ahead and not only give you ideas, but you can take it a step further. After you like one of the ideas, you can ask it for the recipe and it will give that to you completely for free. And now you don't have to worry about what to cook for the rest of the week or for today's where when you don't want Taco Tuesday. If this video helped you, go ahead and like the video and don't forget to follow me for more tips like this. Take care. Have a great day.